Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with two essentials, Vscode and the Sqlite binary. Once installed, open Vscode, install a dedicated Sqlite extension and reload the window. Make sure the Sqlite 3 command runs in your terminal because the extension uses that or its own driver to read files. Next, open the folder that contains the Sqlite or DB file so the extension can index it. This avoids permission and path confusion. Now you're ready to open the database file directly in the editor. Once done, use the extension's Database Explorer to open your DB file. Click to expand the schema and inspect tables. You'll see columns and sample rows. Use the right-click context menu to preview data or create statements. If you need to run queries, open the extension's SQL Editor tab and type select statements, then execute. Results appear inline. Make sure to save or export query results when needed, because extensions may keep temporary caches versus persistent exports. To finish, close the open connection in the extension so the file isn't locked by Vscode. This prevents conflicts with other apps. Export important data to CSV or a SQL dump for backups, and remember to commit changes if you altered the database. If things go wrong, check file permissions, confirm Sqlite 3 runs from your path, and open the extension output or developer tools for error messages. This single troubleshooting step catches most permission and driver issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.